We're going to start with a foot treatment today using the ball, and the first thing we're going to do is actually assess what we feel in our feet. From there, I'm going to go ahead and just notice what I feel in my feet, and my feet might feel parallel, I might feel staggered or turned out. And then let's check into what is called the autopilot, right? That's your brain's ability to find your center of gravity. We're going to take a breath in, and on the exhale, I'm going to lift all 10 toes. Whoa, what happens? Where do I shift my weight? And then on another exhale, so breathe in, lower your toes, and see if you just shift way far forward, right? And then from that point on, we're going to go ahead and start working with the ball. So we've noticed what we felt. Let's go ahead and come to the mat and work with the ball. And we're going to start with the glide, where I'm actually already got the ball underneath the middle of my foot. I'm going to shift back with the other foot, and then lifting the front of the foot that has the ball underneath it, I'm going to bring it right to where the heel is. And then I'm just going to compress into the ball. And then we're going to start what's called a glide. It's a preparatory motion of just wiggling the heel back and forth, pivoting on the ball of the foot. So I've got the ball of the foot down, and I'm letting the heel come in and swaggering it out. And when I'm ready, I'm going to start to move the foot forward and let the ball travel back over my heel, zigzagging. And then back again, right? Just moving across the heel. And then right in front of the heel, I'm going to pause for the shear. So the shear, I always say, is the star of the show. We did the preparatory work. We notice what we feel, and now we're really working fluid into a sponge. So the melt method is about dehydration of the connective tissue. So I'm really trying to activate the sensory receptors to really break up those adhesions in the bottom of my foot. The shear is a little tighter. It's like wiggling the heel back and forth, still pivoting on the forefoot. And so we're trying to bring more connective tissue fluid to the foot. And then we're going to go ahead and compress and wait. Right, there's our shear.